that guy in the mirror? Huh? Is he playing the patty cake with you? You checking him out? That's crazy how he does the exact same thing you do. Yeah. Who is that? Who is that guy? He's a pretty cute baby, huh? Does he look like your brother? Oh, you done with him? Oh no, gotta check him out. Mac. Where you go, Mac? Good boy, yeah. Oh. There's your friend again. What do you want to name him? Should we name him Jack? Yeah? Oh, he looks kind of smaller in the mirror, huh? Yeah.